Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool unboxing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a little tub that you can actually use as a cutting board. So the way how this works, if you guys can see right here, is folded up into this little cutting board right here. And once you guys want to use that tub, you just have to push it out. So obviously you guys can't really see what I mean right now, so let me actually open up and then take it out and show you guys how to use it. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So if you guys want to use this option as a cutting board, you definitely can. So you can just chop stuff on here, and when you're done using it, you can just rinse it out. And the cool thing about this product, as you can see right here, they have this little slot right here where you can actually push it. So that way you can actually let the water go out when you guys finish washing it. But if you can see, this is basically what the product looks like right here. And we guys want to use it as a storage tub, all you need to do is just push down, so just like this. Alright, so you can see that once we push it down, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So you can use it as a little tub right here. So this is what the inside looks like right there. This is what it looks like on the side. And this is what it looks like on the bottom part right here. So once I push the thing inside here, it will let out the water just like that. Which is a really cool feature, so that way you don't have to actually pour out all the water or the stuff inside. You can just press that button to let out all the water there. And obviously on the side right here, you can see the way how they designed it, have very nice grip as well, so you can actually carry with you guys anywhere. And obviously if you guys want to use the option to hang on the wall, you guys want to collapse it back into like the board shape first. And also you can see on the bottom right here, here, and here, they have the anti-skid material to prevent it from like shifting around or moving around when you guys actually use it. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually go test it out first and show you guys how easy it is to use it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. So if you guys want to use it as a chopping board, you can definitely go like this if you guys want to. Or if you guys have a bigger one like these, like a cleaver, you guys can definitely do that as well. But if you guys want to use it like a regular tub, you just have to push it down like this. Pushing it down all the way. Just like that. And once you guys form this correct shape, then it's pouring the water inside here. Alright, so just use that for now for example. You guys can fill it up all the way up to here if you guys want to. And just stuffing like your vegetables in here, your fruits in here, and just start washing it. Just like that. And then once you guys are done washing your vegetables or whatever, you guys can pour it out like this. Or you guys can just press the button right here on the bottom part right here. So you guys can see what happens. Alright. And then once you're done, you guys can close it back up like that. And it's all set. So once you guys are done using it as a tub or whatever, you guys can push it down like this. And it becomes a regular chopping board again. So the product itself is definitely easy to use and super convenient. So you can use it as a chopping block or chopping board. And then you can use it as a storage tub or a tub in general to wash stuff or whatever you guys want to. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that it actually works pretty well. Super easy to use, and it's really convenient. So if you guys want to use it as a cutting board, you guys can use it for that. If you guys want to use it for washing like your dishes, your vegetables, your laundry or whatever, you guys can definitely do all of that on here as well. But definitely one of the coolest things is this feature right here. So that, like I mentioned, all you can do is press it, let out the water, and you just don't have to pour all the water out completely. Or another option you guys can do is just to collapse it back into this shape right here from a tub. That way all the water can just come off really easily, and you guys can have all your vegetable, fruits, or whatever ready right here. So now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to ask the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this product is worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to save space, or if you guys want to have like a 2-in-1 product where you guys actually use it as a cutting board and also a tub as well, then this is super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's been just for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That'll definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.